So look at this tree and look at that tree and look at all these trees. If one of them gets infected by, say, gypsy moth, then that tree lets all the other trees know I have an infection, and they all make the appropriate antibodies. In other words, these trees are sentient beings connected with each other. But what are these trees a product of? They are a product of the genetic information right there in the soil. The genes are creating the trees that are talking to each other, because the genes at the level of the genetic matrix are also talking to each other. They're part of an ecosystem. We have an ecosystem of genetic information, of plant life, of bird life, of bee life, of the life of all sentient beings. The interdependent co-arising at the level of genes, plants, animals, primates, humans, and that's the biosphere. Once we totally comprehend that, entanglement at the level of genetic information, at the level of microbes, at the level of plant life, at the level of animal life, then you'll see that you restore the integrity of one species, you affect all species. In Florida, for example, they're creating something called the panther's path. Once you resurrect the life of the panther, the whole ecosystem starts to resurrect itself. Every other species benefits if you benefit one species. If you benefit more species, you reverse climate change.